Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. I go by Natalie's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Shito. In Togo we call it ebese fion. Let's begin. I'm adding 4 large chopped onions in the pot and 2 cups of dried pepper and 500 grams shrimp and 700 milliliter oil, and I fry it for about 20 minutes. Here you will notice that the onions are getting softer, so they are getting ready.
So how do they off it?
I'll tell you. I'll show you. Here I'm transferring it to the blender cup so that I can blend it. In here I'm adding dried smoked herring fish to the mix of shrimp, onions and pepper. Some people like their Shito smooth or chunky. I prefer chunky, so I crushed it. I'm adding 750 grams of ginger to the mix. Shito have to be really dried. So to succeed of making Shito, you have to spend a lot of time in the kitchen because you have to cook it, dry it very well, so that it can last you for about 6 months. It can really last you for 6 months. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just drying. You see that vapor coming out is the water from the ginger, the onions, and the mix of everything just evaporating from the Shito. So it took me, I'm adding Maggi at that point. This is my first video so far. I hope you are liking it. Please subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button, like and share. Thank you. The reason why I like it chunky, you can chew the fish, the shrimp, and the seed of pepper. It took me 2 hours to finish the Shito from the start to the end. To have a good Shito, you need to have a patient time, and you have to make sure you are cooking it in a low or medium heat. If you can see, the color of the Shito is changing from when I started. It's darker now, so that means the Shito is getting ready. Now you can see my Shito is ready. Everybody's invited. This is the end result.